Here we have a variety of different drill bits, all used for different purposes. Here we have some different size twist drills. They can be used for metal or for wood. They come in generally a pack from 1/16 to 1/2 inch, and they move at a 1/64 increments. Here we have masonry bits. They're used in block, brick, and tiles, specifically for those types of materials. Cannot be used in wood or metal. They're usually used with a hammer drill, which will make them go through a lot faster and smoother. Here we have Forstner bits. They're used for boring into wood and wood products, and specifically used for that. Cannot be used in any other type of material. The one to the far right has actually have a carbide tip on it for the cutting edge, which will last considerably longer and will stay sharper a lot longer, but at a much higher cost. These are referred to as spade bits. They're used in rough construction. You can use them for drilling holes in studs, for things like wires, plumbing pipes, gas pipes, etc. Notice the one in the center, the tip's broken off of it. You won't be able to sharpen that, get it to work properly, so you're better just to replace it. Here we have two types of brad point bits. They're used for cutting into wood and wood products, very precision, nice clean hole. On the outside edges here, these are called the spurs. They actually score the outside of the hole, which makes a very, very fine cut and prevents it from tearing out on you. Here I have an auger bit. Auger bit is used in rough construction. A lot of times they're long and they're used for cutting through wide pieces. They're very aggressive. They come in two different types. There's a screw on the end here, similar to a screw nail. This one's a coarse one. So what happens is it's going to be quite aggressive, and when you put the point in, it's going to catch and it's going to pull it in. If you have a fine one, fine ones are more precise, precision work. They're going to go in a little bit slower, and they're going to create a much nicer hole. These here, slots here, they're called flutes. You're going to find those on several different types of bits. Those are used to clear the sawdust so that it pulls it out of the way. If this was a long bit and it was 3 feet long, you need to clear all that sawdust and it has to go somewhere. So it just comes back up the flutes and it comes back out the entrance of the hole.